Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial on the Pro.radio Business Tools plugin. In this video, we are going to see how to enable front-end submission on behalf of your partners and investors. Business Tools has a built-in feature to create a front-end submission form, which allows your partners to send you their banners and desired details and allows you to review the submission before publishing the campaign. Let's go to the Business Tools general settings. If you don't have a front-end submission form page, you will see a button which says create. Just click the button and a new page will be created. If you go to pages, you will find a second add campaign submission because one was the one that we already created in the previous tutorial. So this page is already set as add campaign submission. If you are an anonymous user, you cannot submit a campaign. We log in from an incognito window and you will see that it's asking us for username and password. So only logged in users with special permissions can submit a campaign. Once your front-end add campaign submission page is ready, what we want to do is create a user able to submit campaigns. Perhaps, for instance, you had a personal business relationship with a shop, a hotel, a restaurant, a school, or any other type of potential customer, and you want to give them permission to upload campaigns on your website. Let's go to users and create a new demo user. Let's call it customer. This we don't need, this we don't need. Language is the same. Remember to put a strong password. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm using customer as password. So I have to confirm the use of weak password, and the role doesn't even matter for the sake of submission of the campaigns. So we leave as default subscriber role. Let's add a new user. Here we are. The customer has been created, but now this is not going to be able to submit campaigns. Let's make a test. I'm going to open our page in a new incognito window, and let's open the link which, for instance, you submitted via email to your customer. Let's log in with the credentials that we just created. And as you can see, your profile has not been enabled to post advertising campaigns because not every user can submit campaigns. If you want somebody to be able to send you advertisement, what you need to do is edit the profile, and in the section named Pro.radio Business Tools Partner Program, you need to enable it as partner. Once you update the user, and we need to save the settings because the page was private and is in test mode. So disable test mode, save, and now we are able to submit campaigns. As you can see, the user field is fixed. This field is going to be stored for administration purposes in the details of the campaign. So let's call this campaign whatever we want. Let's pick a start and end date. And let's set a link. Now, as customer, I am able to set a phone number and email for contacts. At this point, if you run a pre-flight data check, it is going to outline all of the missing fields. As you can see, this is very user-friendly because you have green and red colors and your customer has an instant feedback on what is wrong. Your customer can submit just the banners that he wants to upload. Then you have the terms of service that you need to accept, which can be changed from the Pro.radio Business Tools settings page. Pre-flight is okay. The button changes and says submit campaign. Thanks for submitting your ad. Please hold on while we verify the contents. Of course, the campaign is not visible because perhaps somebody is saying broken links or wrong banners, or you don't know the customer very well and he's trying, for instance, to link to any scam website and things that you don't want to approve. So let's see where the campaign is gone now. We click on add campaign, and we see the campaign that is now pending. If we edit the campaign, we are able to easily change the dates because, for instance, the customer wants this to run for 2 months, but he paid you for 1, so you can fix this. You can verify the link by opening it on your browser, and you can check which banners he submitted. Your campaign is now live. As you can see, the banner of our customer submission campaign is appearing correctly right here. The customer is allowed to submit a maximum of 2 pending campaigns. It means that if you don't approve the campaigns and he already submitted 2 pending campaigns, he is not going to be able to submit more. Let's see how it works. If we change this to 1, for instance, and let's go to send back this campaign to pending, at this point, it will say you have too many pending campaigns. Please await approval before posting a new one. This will ensure that people are not going to fill your database of junk campaigns, and if they want to change them, you need to review the changes and contact the customer. In this way, your website is safe and they are not filling your media library of junk banners, and you can as well block submissions if you want. We are going to see as well how statistics works. First of all, if you want to gather statistics in your business tools details, it's important to have link masking enabled. The statistics of this campaign are visible for the customer who accesses it from his own personal account. This is a chart where we have 1 click recorded in this date. And this is how a historical data of a campaign may look like when you have stored a few days of statistics about the clicks. You may want to share with your customer the statistics about the clicks on that campaign. In order to do so, it's important to set as partner the campaign details. Once the customer is set as partner for this campaign, just copy the URL and send it to your customer. This is all for this video tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you at the next video.